Subscribe to Bootstrap Station if you haven't, and today we are going to update VMware Workstation to the latest version in any of the Windows versions. And if you want to install, update, downgrade, or uninstall VMware, or if you want the net speed meter like I am having in the taskbar for any of the Windows versions, links for both of these contents is given in the description. So let us quickly open up VMware Workstation. Go to the start and search for VMware. Open it. Now go to help and click on software updates. Click on check for updates. Now wait for it. And it shows you a newer version available. So if it doesn't show you, it's okay and means that you have the latest version already installed. So let us click on download and install. So now here it is downloading the VMware tools as well as the latest VMware version. Here it comes after a few seconds, so don't panic. Now let's wait until it gets downloaded. And now it is extracting the package after downloading it. And it is about to update now. Let me also show you quickly the current version of VMware. It is this one. Let me copy it for you so that we can know whether it has updated or not. Now it will give a pop-up, so just click yes on it. It will give another pop-up for the VMware CDs, so click yes on that too, and it will bring the installer for you to update to the latest version. Now if it shows you such a warning like the installer requires you to restart your system to finish installing Microsoft VC Redistributable and then rerun the software updater. So you just click on yes from here and it will restart your machine right now. So Windows has restarted. Let us open VMware again. Go to the start and type VMware and open it. Now we go to the help, software updates. Then click on check for updates again. Click on download and install. Now this time it is not going to download it because it was already downloaded in the previous step. So now it will be directly installing the latest version. It means updating your previous VMware version to the latest. Now as usual, the last time we get two pop-ups. Again you get two pop-ups. Click on yes for both of those. And here we get the installer. Wait for a while. Now before clicking on next, you have to close VMware Workstation and click on next. Accept the agreement. Next. Next. I don't want to join the program. Next. Next. And upgrade. So it has been successfully installed. Finish. Now it is asking to restart our system for the configuration changes. So let us click on yes to restart now. So I have again restarted after the final update. Let us open VMware again and see whether it has updated or not. Go to the help, about VMware Workstation version. Let us copy it to match with the one that we previously had, and you can see that earlier this was the version and now the newer updated version. So we have updated VMware Workstation. Let us check for the updates again to be sure that all of the components of the VMware have been updated. and you see there are no software updates available. It means we are on the latest version of VMware Workstation. So please subscribe to BoostUp Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.